You have about every single eye in the sky looking at you every 15 ways from Sunday, watching your every move.
Yes, sir.
Let's do this. I'm not going to do anything until this lawyer gets here. All I know is he's got 3 open cases. They're all at 7503 because you continually take off. You come to court when you want to come to court. You don't come to court.
People say don't come to court. You the probation.
Let's wait for your lawyer to get here and we'll see. But all I know is you've got 3 open cases. All the bonds are 7503, which indicates to me that you've taken off 3 different times. So let's see. So just take a seat for me. I mean, I'm not going to argue with you. I'm going to wait for your lawyer to get here and then we'll go from there.
Okay.
But you're supposed to come to court when the reset says, not when you want to come to court.
No, he told me not to come to court, Judge. He said not.
You can come to court, right? But you're supposed to come to court when the reset says. And we have multiple instances of you not doing that.
Okay.
I mean, I don't know how else to say it. So let's wait for your lawyer to get here and we'll go from there.
Judge, I already emailed him because he got one of them.
He got another new one, so hopefully he'll, and he's usually pretty good about showing up.
So Judge, there was a misunderstanding on his case. So on his older cases, his appearance was waived. He wasn't required to come to court. It's when they did the new 2B on the new case, which I believe is beer and a bag of candy. And so that's when I tried to contact him to get him to come in. Couldn't get in contact with him. Then he had to schedule a court date for the old cases, and that's when the judge revoked, the court revoked his bond based on those old cases. He said he received the letter, so he came in today to address the letter, obviously, and that's why he's here today.
So let's do probable cause on your newest case, because I don't know anything about it. Mr. Lestrap, you've now picked up a 3rd theft case. You're now stand charged with another Class B misdemeanor. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you, sir.
Yes, Judge. The officer was dispatched to a Walgreens in Harris County, Texas, and the complainant, the manager of the Walgreens, told officers that the defendant entered the store and proceeded to take several items, including a case of beer and a large pack of candy, and walked past all points of sale without paying. The complainant told the officers that most of the employees knew the defendant by name and sight.
Where is the trespass and the theft, the prior trespass and the prior theft? Can you tell me where those are?
They're also at a Walgreens. Let me see if it's the same location. It's the same location.
I told you when you first came here not to go back to the Walgreens.
Okay, thank you.
Not once, but twice. What should I do now, Mr. Lestrap? What should I do? You tell me.
Judge, just for the court's knowledge, my client is homeless. He doesn't have a place to stay, no employment. Has some assistance from his mom, but obviously that's not a whole lot. That's the number.
That mom over there?
I'm not sure.
No.
Did you come with mom today?
Yes, sir.
I don't know what to tell you, but here in court, we have resources, right? If you want resources, we're happy to give it to you. We had a kid in here yesterday, giving him resources to get a phone and a tablet. If you want a place to stay, we can find you a place to stay. If you want something to eat, we can get you something to eat.
Yes, sir.
But how on earth can I continue to let you go when, number one, you don't come to court? Number two, you continue to go to the place we tell you not to go. Number three, you continue to pick up cases when we tell you not to over a damn case of beer and a large pack of candy. Mr. Lestrap, They know you at that Walgreens. Every single time you go back to that Walgreens, you have about every single eye in the sky looking at you every 15 ways from Sunday, watching your every move.
Yes, sir.
Ray, I'm sorry. I'm not going to give another PR bomb. You know, perhaps, I don't know, but you're not getting it.
Can we at least address the bond though, Judge? Because I believe the bond's at.
Absolutely happy to. I agree that they're high. And what do you think?
Judge, I'd be asking for 500 on each case.
Okay, done. But the revolving door closes today. It goes with you. I'm with you though. I will. I really hope that you heard what I said to you earlier. Every time you go to this Walgreens, they know who you are, every single person. So every time you come back, what do you think they're going to do? They're going to watch you like a hawk, your every single move. You've been trespassed from there. So if you go back there and they call the cops, you're going to be right back in jail. Don't go back. You've worked out an agreement. They're offering you 60 days in jail with credit for the 2 days that you've done on this theft case here. Looks like they're going to dismiss the 2 other thefts that you have. You also need to understand this now makes at least 2 thefts for you. You pick up another theft, you're going to be looking at a felony charge, years instead of days.
Yeah.
You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, you can never change this. Are you sure you want to do this? Guess that's it, right?
Yes, Your Honor. I talked to him. He understands the nature of the consequences.
Okay.
Has no means of being able to afford bond, so we can look at the newer case. So he's opted to take the agreement on the old case.
If you can't ever make bond, if you don't have anyone in this life that's going to bond you out, then why pick up a criminal case? You know what I mean? When you leave here, Mr. Lestrap, come back. If you want a place to sleep, if you want a job, if you want food, I'll give it to you. All you got to do is come back. But if you keep picking up criminal cases, no more PR bonds. Do you understand? There's no excuse. We will give you resources. All you got to do is come back. You're giving up the right to, have I gone through the warnings? I don't remember. You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. So once you plead guilty, there's no turning back. How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty and I will send you to 60 days in jail. I will give you credit for the 2 days that you've done. It's not enhanced, right? Okay. All right. Hi, good luck. Or did he say plead guilty?
Yes, sir.
I didn't hear it.
I didn't plead to the offense, sir. Guilty or not guilty? All right, I'll find you guilty, send you to good luck.